Is an RV channel not being sponsored of any value to you? Hey there, I'm Joshua. Welcome to RV Gear and Farm. I have a quick question for you that I'd love some feedback on, so please leave me a comment below. I've been reviewing gear online for a few years now, and the overwhelming majority of the items I've purchased with my own money and have never taken sponsorships to promote gear or services. And personally, I like it that way. But I'm getting to a crossroads on the channel that I need to have some clear answers on a few questions. And since my videos are created to inform you so that you can make a better decision on gear and services in the RV industry, I'd love to hear your input. The way I see it, I have three options moving forward. 1, decline all sponsorships and do not accept free products or gear. 2, decline all sponsorships but accept free products. 3, work with companies I like and value via sponsorships and accept free products. Now, all these options will include the promotion of affiliate links, a referral type program with many retailers and manufacturers that if I direct you to their product and you make a purchase, the price doesn't change for you. In fact, affiliate links can often sometimes be coupled with discounts as well, but the company sends me a referral fee for directly bringing them business. The affiliate portion of content creation space is one I'm totally comfortable with, and if you find value in the content, information, and insight I bring to you, you can support my work at no additional cost to yourself by clicking through those affiliate links before making your purchases. My first preference would be option 1, no sponsorships and no free products. There would be no perceived or real influence from the individual companies. However, that comes at a cost. Many pieces of RV gear can be quite expensive individually, and then when I'm looking to compare 2 or more products together, the cost of equipment alone can be prohibitive. I'd love to set up a membership option for y'all, or give you a centralized location for affiliate links, and give you something that could give you additional discounts and essentially make the content here at RV Gear and Far viewer supported. But this option would require a bit more active participation on your end, making sure to start your gear purchases through the affiliate links or the discount portal, either on the website or via the social media posts and video descriptions. Option 2 is also a viable option, accepting free gear from companies with the express knowledge that just because I receive the item for free does not mean that they will get a glowing review. In fact, pointing out negative aspects of gear is just as valuable as positives in my opinion, and I'm confident that I could remain unbiased in my presentations. However, I know that there will be some folks in the RV community that will balk at that and say because the item was provided free of charge, that it will in some way influence the presentation. And I get that, which is why I would much prefer option 1. But with this option, I'd be able to bring you much more content without the business expense of purchasing multiple products to compare and contrast. Option 3 is what you're probably most familiar with, taking on sponsors and doing integrated segments within other videos, along with accepting free products. This is my least desirable option and the last resort. I know I'd essentially be leaving money on the table by not taking sponsorships and going with option 1 or 2, but if we can build a relationship together, you and I, in a way that allows me to provide the ultimate value to you without taking sponsorships, that would be my ultimate preference. Now, I have taken some free gear in the past, and I'm working on a post for the website that indicates which gear that is, so if we move forward with not accepting free gear from here on out, that everything from the past will be plain and clear. But I'd really like to hear your feedback. Please take a moment, drop me a comment down below, and let me know which option you prefer. Option 1, no sponsorships, no free gear, but you'd be willing to consider a small membership and or start your gear shopping with one of the channel's affiliate links. Option 2, no sponsorships, but saying yes to accepting free gear. And option 3, you'd like all the information and content for free and are willing to embrace the sponsorship model and accepting free gear from companies. So again, leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time and happy trails.